Hello friends, myself Ritesh Vyavhare. I am working as an assistant professor in Sweri College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. So let's start Beckman rearrangement. So what is Beckman rearrangement? I will explain the reaction and its mechanism. But before that, what will happen in the Beckman rearrangement? So formation of secondary amide will takes place from the ketoxime. Formation of secondary amide from the ketoxime in presence of concentrated H2SO4 and PCl5. So formation of 2-degree amide or secondary amide from the ketoxime in presence of concentrated H2SO4 and PCl5. Here concentrated H2SO4 acts as a source of hydrogen and PCl5 acts as a electrophile. So H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 is a source of hydrogen and PCl5 acts as a electrophile. So it will helps for the reaction to proceed. So let's see the reaction mechanism. So mechanism, in the mechanism we will take a ketoxime, structure of ketoxime R C R dash C double bond N OH. So this is our ketoxime. So you can see here नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर भी लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है और ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर भी लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. सो जो कि हाइड्रोजन विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम concentrated H2SO4, that H plus will goes towards this oxygen. So what will be happen further? This oxygen will attract this hydrogen and here we will get OH2 or we can say H2O, that is water molecule. So removal of water molecule will takes place in this step. So what will happen? Removal of water molecule. So once when here you can see this H2O will go or eliminated. Once when this H2O is eliminated, this nitrogen will acquire positive charge. So what is the structure then? This R remains same as this R dash also remains same as. So this double bond, nitrogen, here nitrogen, but nitrogen acquires positive charge. Why? Because of removal of this water molecule. So it will become a N plus. So further, as it becomes N plus, here R dash goes towards this nitrogen which is positively charged. So question is that here why not R goes towards this nitrogen, only R dash is going towards nitrogen? Because of same side repulsion takes place. Due to that what will happen? R remains as it is and this R dash will goes towards this nitrogen. So what is the further structure? So it will become R C double bond N, this one R dash. So due to that what will happen? This carbon will eliminate, or due to removal of this R dash from carbon, carbon acquires positive charge. So what will happen further? Next step is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means H plus and OH minus ions should be there. So further this H plus and OH minus. So from that OH minus, this OH minus goes toward us this electrophile. So positive and negative charges both are attracting towards each other. All of you are knowing. So this OH minus attach over this carbon. So what will happen further? See in this structure, this OH minus will attach over this carbon, but what will happen later in the next step, due to greater electronegativity of oxygen, oxygen contains lone pair of electrons, so that oxygen wants to back bonding, that is carbon oxygen double bond will be getting formed. You can see in the next structure that double bond is getting formed. So what will happen here? Due to double bond formation, carbon valency is getting disturbed. So what will happen then? Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here if double bond is getting formed 2, 2, 4 and 5. So carbon, it has 4 valency. So here this carbon will kick out this hydrogen in the form of H plus. So because of the disturbance of valence of carbon, so what will happen? This kicked out hydrogen that will be bind over this nitrogen or goes towards this nitrogen. So नाइट्रोजन बोलेगा आजा भाई मैं तुझे ले लेता हूं. कैसे ले लेता हूं? ये नाइट्रोजन क्या करता है? एक डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक करता है. सो हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिंगल बॉन्ड टेक्स प्लेस एंड दिस हाइड्रोजन गोज ओवर दिस nitrogen. So further you can see this hydrogen goes over this nitrogen. I have written here nitrogen NH. So R same as R dash. C double bond O. Here back bonding will take place, so that C double bond O and this R same as. So final we will get secondary amide RCO NH R dash. So this is our secondary amide. So finally we have told that we will get a secondary amide from the ketoxime. So this is nothing but your Beckmann rearrangement. So secondary amide, it is a keto form. So this structure we can say this intermediate it is an enol form. But enol form is not stable, or we can say less stable than the keto form. So keto form is more stable than the enol form. So finally we will get keto form of secondary amides. So this is our final product. So this is nothing but our Beckmann rearrangement. So this is very simple rearrangement. Just overlook, we will take a overlook over this. Ketoxime is converted into secondary amide in presence of concentrated H2SO4 and PCl5. Concentrated H2SO4 acts as a source of hydrogen, while PCl5 acts as a electrophile. So ketoxime, this is structure of ketoxime. Hydrogen which is coming from concentrated H2SO4, we have told that it is a source of hydrogen. So hydrogen will move either oxygen or nitrogen. So it will move towards the oxygen. Due to that, what will happen? Removal of water molecule. Here formation of water molecule H2O will take place. So once when this nitrogen is once when this water molecule is getting removed, nitrogen possesses positive charge. As nitrogen possesses positive charge, this R dash group goes towards nitrogen. So here why not R is going towards nitrogen? Because of same side repulsion takes place, and due to that R dash goes towards nitrogen. So this is your structure. So once when R dash goes towards nitrogen, this carbon acquires positive charge because one group is leaving from carbon, so that carbon acquires positive charge. इधर का पॉजिटिव चार्ज गया लेकिन इधर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया. सो दिस इज योर इंटरमीडिएट. नेक्स्ट इज अ हाइड्रोलिसिस स्टेप. सो हाइड्रोलिसिस दैट इज addition of water, that is H plus and OH minus. So OH minus from the water that will goes towards new electrophile, that is positively charged ion. So in the next step we will see the formation of enol. So once when this OH goes towards this positively charged ion, here you can say further due to higher electronegativity this lone pair of electrons shifted, that is a back bonding process will start. So once when back bonding start, carbon valence is getting disturbed. Due to that what will happen? Hydrogen is kicked out. हायड्रोजन ला हाकलून दिलेला आहे. सो दॅट हायड्रोजन तो कोणाकडे तरी जाण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. मग दैट हाइड्रोजन गोज टुवर्ड्स दिस नाइट्रोजन. सो नाइट्रोजन क्या बोलता है, आओ मैं लेता हूं आपको, उसने हकाल दिया तो मैं लेता हूं. तो वो कैसे लेगा, वो क्या करेगा, रिमूवल ऑफ दिस डबल बॉन्ड, दैट इज रिमूवल, breakdown of this double bond and formation of single bond with carbon, and it will take this kicked out hydrogen. So final structure becomes R C double bond O NH R dash. This is our secondary amide. So this is a keto form. So what is the difference in between enol and keto form? Enol form is less stable than the keto form and keto form is more stable than the enol form. This is all about Beckmann reagent. Thank you.